Here are my two straps. I have turned them inside out and top stitched them. I measured 1/2 inch from the closed edge, and this is where I'm going to put my Velcro. I'm using a pen to mark because I'm hoping that it makes it easier for you to see. So I'm going to put my Velcro, center it on the strap, and it will go 1/2 inch from the stitched edge. I'll go ahead and stitch that up. We're going to use a box stitch and then an X. And I also just wanted to point out that these straps, for me, to turn them, cost me about 3/4 inch in length. So this was a 15.5 inch strap, and I've lost 1, 2, 3/4 on that one, and this was a 17.5 inch strap, and I've lost, so it was there, I've lost 1, 2, 3/4 inch on that one also. So your straps should measure 16 3/4 and 14 3/4